Hi guys, welcome to TutorCruncher. In this video, we will be talking about ad hoc charges and how to create these ad hoc charges on TutorCruncher. So ad hoc charges are typically one-off charges for any type of fees. This could be a registration fee, a travel expense, or a consulting fees. So to create an ad hoc charge, we first go to Activity, Ad hoc Charges, Add an ad hoc charge. And here we can choose what type of category we want to allocate to our ad hoc charge. So it could be a donation, expense, a registration fee, one-off placement fee, and let's choose an expense. Now, we will also talk about ad hoc charge categories and how we can create different types of ad hoc charge categories. We'll talk about that a bit later. So you've chosen your category and now you can describe it. Let's say it's a travel expense. You can choose your client who you want to charge, and you can also choose the tutor that you need to pay. You can also choose an affiliate if you have an affiliate attached to your client and if you want to allocate some money for them. Then we've got our tax settings, which you can choose. Right, and now once you've added all this information, you can raise an invoice. You can choose to raise an invoice for it right away. If you want to do that, you can just check this box, or you can raise an invoice for it later. And then you click on add, and your ad hoc charge has been created and invoice has been raised. Now let's talk about ad hoc charge categories. So to create an ad hoc charge category, we go to System, Settings, we scroll down to Accounting Settings, and you've got ad hoc charge categories. And here you have the option to add ad hoc charge categories. So these are the categories that I've added already, and they show up in my drop-down list. You can choose to create a new category. You can name it and then add a description. See if this category is available to tutors. So what that means is that if this category is available to tutors, they can also raise an ad hoc charge for this type of category. And then what kind of pay you want to attach to it, a default pay for tutor, default charge for client, the tax settings, and then you click Save, which will create this ad hoc charge category. Now, if you want to create an ad hoc charge for your job, so you can do it on a job by job basis as well. So you go straight to your job. Let's say you want to create an ad hoc charge for this job right here. You go to your activity tab and you can create an ad hoc charge here. Now, tutors can also add ad hoc charges for themselves, as we talked about. If an ad hoc charge category is available to your tutors, they have the option to create expenses for them. So they can create an ad hoc charge via their job by creating expense through their activity tab, or they can go to this expenses tab and create an expense here. So here you've got one category that is available to them, so they can create an expense through this route. And they can add a description, the amount they want to charge the client they want to charge, and they can also choose the job that this is associated with. So this is how you create ad hoc charges on TutorCruncher.